chemistry class. Today we will discuss about the topic hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbon. In organic chemistry, a hydrocarbon is an organic compounds consisting entirely of carbon and hydrogen. Carbon and hydrogen. Only present in carbon and hydrogen. The hydrocarbon is two types. First one is aliphatic. First one is aliphatic and second one is aromatic hydrocarbon. The word for aliphatic was derived from Greek word. Greek word aliphar. Aliphar means fat. Aliphar means fat. The main source of aliphatic compounds and oil and fats. The main source of aliphatic compounds, oil and fats. Next, aromatic. Aroma. Aroma means aroma, the odor. Aroma means odor, that is a pleasant. Pleasant smelling. Okay, pleasant smelling. And the next one, the aliphatic compounds include three major parts. First one is alkanes. And second one is alkenes. And third one is alkynes. Third one is alkynes. First we will discuss about alkenes. First one, alkanes. Alkanes are the saturated. Alkanes are the saturated hydrocarbon. Saturated hydrocarbons. Alkanes are saturated hydrocarbons. The general formula of alkanes CnH2n plus 2. The N stands for number of carbon atoms in the molecule. And alkanes, there is also alkanes the parabens. Parabens, that is a little reactivity. That is a little reactivity. And example for alkanes, first one, number of carbon atoms. Number of carbon atoms N. And the next one, molecular formula. Molecular formula CnH2n plus 2. And structural formula. And IUPAC name. First one, number of carbon atom is 1. Number of carbon atoms and substitute N. C1H2 into 1 plus 2. Okay, equal to CH4. The first number of alkane CH4. The structure is CH4. The IUPAC name, only one carbon, methane. Only one carbon, methane. The suffix, the hydrocarbon, first alkane suffix and ane. Methane. And next one, number of carbon atoms 2. And molecular formula Cn. C2 H2 and 2 plus 2. Okay, C2 plus 2 into 2 4 plus 2 6. And C2 H6. C2H6 and structure 2 carbon and 6 hydrogen the structural formula CH3 bond CH3. Carbon valency 4. Okay, 3 hydrogen and a bond CH3. This name 2 carbon ethane. Ethane. Suffix ane. And the next one, number of carbon atoms 3. C3H2 and 3 plus 2. C3 2 into 6. 6 plus 2 8. C3H8. The structural formula CH3 bond CH2 bond CH3. 3 carbon and 8 hydrogen. This IUPAC name propane. Propane. And the next one, number of carbon atoms 4. Number of carbon atoms 4. C4H2 into 4 plus 2 equal to C4H10. C4H10. The structural formula 4 hydrogen, 4 carbon and 10 hydrogen. First 4 carbon and 10 hydrogen. First one CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. Totally 4 carbon and 10 hydrogen. This IUPAC name 4 carbon butane. 4 carbon butane. And the next 5. Number of carbon atoms 5. C5H2 5 plus 2 equal to C5H12. C5H12. Molecular formula C5H12. The structure 5 carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 carbon. First one CH3, CH2, 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 CH3. Totally 5 carbon and 12 hydrogen. This name pentane. This name pentane. Next, number of carbon atom 6. C6H2 6 plus 2 equal to C6H14. C6H14. 6 means hexane. The structure 6 carbon. First one CH3, CH2, 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 CH3. Totally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 carbon and 14 nitrogen. This name hexane. All are the suffix ane. Ane. Methane. Only 1 carbon methane, 2 carbon ethane, and 3 carbon propane, 4 carbon butane, 5 carbon pentane, and 6 carbon hexane. And next 7 carbon. And the number of carbon atoms 7. C7H2 into 7 plus 2 equal to C7, 7 into 2, 14. 14 plus 2, 16. The structural formula 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 carbon and hydrogen 16. CH3, CH2, 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 CH3. CH2. And the next number of carbon atoms 8. C8H2 into 8 plus 2. C8 and H18. The 7, the IUPAC name heptane. Heptane. And the next number of carbon atoms 8. C8H2 into 8 plus 2, C8H18. The structural formula 8 carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 carbon and hydrogen 18. CH3, CH2, 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 CH3. The IUPAC name octane. Number of carbon atoms 9. Number of carbon atoms 9. C9H2 into 9 plus 2. C9H20. The number of carbon atoms 9. 9 carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And hydrogen 20. CH3, CH2, 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 and last one CH3. Nonane. Nonane. And next, number of carbon atoms 10. C10 H2 into 10 plus 2. C10 H22. C10 H22. The 10 carbon octane. 10 carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. First CH3, CH2, 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 CH3. The number of carbon atom 10, octane. Number of decane. The 10 decane. Number of carbon atoms 7, molecular formula CnH2n, heptane. And number of carbon atoms 8, octane. And number of carbon atoms 9, nonane. And number of carbon atoms 10, decane. Okay, thank you.